guys, how are we doing? Today we are doing the renovation of the Campervan, a quick update. It's a 1984 Type 25 VW camper, and this is what we've done so far to it. We've stripped out all of the interior. As you can see, it used to have a fitted kitchen and wardrobe and everything in it. Pete's been busy putting that orange panel in, which has taken some doing because we've had to build a panel up behind it as well. The silver covers sheep's wool insulation, and that's hopefully going to make the van nice and cosy because it was quite cold and quite noisy inside, and that's going to help with sound deadening as well. This area isn't yet finished, but you can see what Pete's been doing. That black material looks fantastic, and against the grey as well, it just looks cool. Pete's done a fantastic job doing this. It looks so neat. It's really awesome. And the grey material carries on right to the front as well. There's going to be some more black material on the floor. This is the old carpet, but I've given it a good shampoo and hoover, so that looks a lot better. And then this is all behind where the kitchen unit's going to go. There's some wiring still to be done, and the rock and roll bed to fit when we get that. The carpenter's going to be making the frames to go around the window for us, and also a cupboard. My aim is that he's ready for Busfest in Malvern in September. We'll see how it goes. If you'd like to follow this restoration, that would be absolutely awesome to have you on board. So make sure you hit subscribe. That would be fantastic. And yeah, an update coming along very soon. There's a load more things coming up on this channel, including, of course, the build, updates on how Mum and Dad are doing with their illnesses. So far, so good, doing really well. We've got an amazing trip to Ireland with the Alfa Romeo Owners Club, Shazzy Walsh Classic Nostalgia. So lots coming up. If you'd like to make sure you get notifications on that, make sure you hit subscribe. That would be awesome. Take care. Bye-bye.